I don't always have time to record packing orders, but here we go. In this order is a Oops bar. Now my Oops bars are soaps that aesthetically don't look pleasing to me. Sometimes soda ash is produced on the soap bars when you make soap by hand at home like me. And what you do is you take the soap and you rinse it under some water. And just like that, the soda ash is gone. Soda ash is not harmful at all. It just messes with the aesthetics of the soap. And, I don't like how it looks. So I sell it at a discounted price as a Oops bar. A lot of soap makers will rinse the soda ash off their bars. They let them dry and they sell them like that. I don't do that. Once the soap hits water, it's a used bar soap to me. So there you go. That's how I run what I do. But in this order, I package everything up like I always do. There's a treat. There's a care package insert. In this order is priority. Priority shipping includes tracking and insurance. First class only provides tracking. So in this next clip, this customer wanted 3 bars Egyptian amber soaps. And by the way, y'all, those are running out. If you want to try it, go on and get you some so I can pack your order with love like this. Yeah. Shop oilsandbars.com today.